In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating case involving a Harvard scientist facing significant legal challenges that could even lead to her deportation. Let's unpack the details and understand the nuances of this ongoing story. Let's briefly outline what we'll cover in this video. We'll start with the background of the case, move through the key legal arguments, explore potential outcomes, and finally, we'll analyze some comments and considerations that have come up in this complex situation. The story began in February when Kseniia Petrova, a genetics researcher at Harvard, was detained by ICE at Boston's Logan International Airport. She's facing serious charges of smuggling for allegedly failing to declare biological materials, specifically non-living frog embryos. This has brought significant legal challenges against her, highlighting the strict U.S. border regulations. Petrova's defense claims that the samples, being non-living frog embryos, did not require declaration according to them. They argue that in similar past cases, the result was a mere fine rather than these severe consequences. Moreover, her attorney argues that the cancellation of her visa was arbitrary and capricious, indicating possible procedural errors or overreach. Upon arrival at the airport, one has to undergo customs declaration. Any biological materials need to be declared. A failure to do so can lead to serious consequences, including detention and federal charges. This case perfectly illustrates the importance of following these stringent procedures. It's time for a quick quiz. The question is, what does the defense argue about the samples? Option A, they were living and required declaration. Option B, they were similar to past find cases. Option C, they had no legal implications. Option D, they were declared. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is, they were similar to past find cases. The defense maintains that these non-living samples had precedent cases that only resulted in fines, without the serious charges currently faced by Petrova. Digging deeper into the complexities, the case rests on legal definitions, such as what constitutes living material. Past incidents have resulted merely in fines, yet this case faces escalated legal ramifications. Furthermore, communication records and other forms of evidence could critically impact the case's final outcome. Let's summarize. Petrova faces charges of smuggling for non-declared biological samples. Her defense hinges on these being non-living, drawing parallels to past cases. Legal definitions and precedents could play crucial roles in the outcome. The cancellation of her visa is challenged as arbitrary, adding another layer of complexity. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. If you enjoyed the content and found it informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed analysis and stories.